Let us now talk about predicting churn for the subscription term. Now, the life cycle of the customer through the subscription term can be broadly defined into an early period, so we will predict early churn for this period. There is the ongoing period, and we will predict ongoing churn for that. And then the contract is up for renewal towards the end of the term, and that is when we will predict the end of term. Now, the challenges for each of these stages are different, and so we have to talk a little bit about how they are different and what's the best strategy for each. So for early churn, we have limited usage data. We still have to depend a lot on the customer's characteristics, and we do know their usage. We have some information on that, but maybe not enough to make definitive patterns, and therefore uh, mm, there is still going to be a lot of reliance on who the customer is and what they are doing is important, of course, that's the most important thing, but it might not be as predictive because there is limited amount of that data during this stage. And from our experience, machine learning or regression models work very well during this stage. And then there is the ongoing churn. So this ongoing stage, now the customer has established patterns. Maybe they log in every day, or they log in every third day, they log in over the weekends. Um, so there is an established pattern now which we can use to predict their behavior. And so what we will see is that the behavior becomes more important in the models, and who they are still matters, but less so. And the focus of all modeling here is, given they have been customers, say, for this week or this month, how likely they are to survive to the next month. And survival analysis techniques work very well in this stage of the customer. I'm not saying that that's the only technique we can use. We can use other machine learning and regression techniques as well, but we have found survival techniques to be do very well in this stage of the customer. And that then leads to when the contract is about to end, the end of term. And during this term, we have now comprehensive data available. We have really gotten all the usage of the customer, their change in patterns, behavior, all of that is available for our use. And so often that becomes the most driving factor in predicting whether the customer will renew or continue to stay as a customer, all of that. And in this, what we have seen is that, again, machine learning and regression techniques work very well here.